Here we come to the rear elevator at the Eller College Building. This one is installed in 2016. Very nice cab. The shaft, and this is very nice. There's a door sensor equipment. Not sure. Elevator interlock. I'm not sure what brand it is. Generic. Oh, should probably get in before it goes into nudge mode. And we'll go up to 3 here. Here we go.
Fast leveling.
Very fast leveling. Yeah, this is a generic elevator. There's no branding on it. No idea who this was installed by, but it's a very nice elevator. It runs quite well.
A little longer to level on the way down.
Yeah. Right, we'll ring the bell one more time. And here it goes.
Zoom out to see the Wildcat.
Oh yeah. And there's a Wildcat, and that's it.